Bela, snežinka. Today we will talk about a song titled Bela, snežinka, which means white snowflake. This is one of the most popular holiday season songs in Slovenia, and it was originally performed by the band Veter. Veter means wind. The melody was adapted from Italian song Non dimenticar le mie parole, and you can find the links to both songs in the description box below. Okay, let's get into the lyrics. Ko sem te vprašal, me ljubiš? When I asked you whether you loved me. Vprašati means to ask. Ljubiti means to love. Please note that when it comes to reported speech in Slovenian, you retain the original tense. You don't go one tense back. So in this case, the guy asked the girl, Ali me ljubiš? Do you love me? Using present tense. And you keep the present tense in the reported speech as well. Si mi zmajala z glavo. You shook your head. Zmajati z glavo or zmajati z glavo. You can pronounce it either way. I would say glavo is a more poetic version than glavo. Both mean to shake a head. Mi is a shorter version of meni, which means to me, which is declined personal pronoun of jaz, I. Rekla mi nisi besede. You didn't say a word to me. Reči means to say. Beseda is a word. Čakal zaman sem to. I was waiting for this in vain. Čakati means to wait. Zaman means in vain. Sivi oblaki na nebu. Grey clouds in the sky. Oblak is a cloud. Nebo is a sky. Jasno nebo so zastrli. Veiled the clear sky. Jasen means clear. Because the word nebo is of neuter gender, the adjective has to be in neuter gender as well, which is then jasno. Zastreti means to veil. More specifically in this case, to prevent the light from coming through. Bela snežinka ki pada. White snowflake which is falling. Snežinka means snowflake. Padati means to fall. Glej, prvi sneg. Look, first snow. Glej is the imperative form of the verb gledati, to look, and it is in the form of tikanje. If we used vikanje, we would say glejte. Sneg means snow. Sneg je. Glej, zunaj sneg je. There is snow. Look, there is snow outside. Zunaj means outside. Morda se spomniš še enkrat na me. Maybe you remember me once again. Morda means maybe. Another word for maybe is mogoče. Spomniti se means to remember. Še enkrat means once again. Na me means on me. It is a combination of the preposition na, which means on, and me, which is shorter for mene, which is accusative form of the personal pronoun jaz, I. Na me could be written either as one or as two words, depending on the accentuation. If we say na me, it is written separately. If we say na me, it is written as one word. In both cases, the meaning is the same. Bela snežinka, ki pada. White snowflake, which is falling. Spominja me nate. Reminds me of you. Spominjati na nekoga means to remind of someone. Nate means on you. It is accusative form of the personal pronoun ti. In na vse tiste dni, noči. And of all those days, nights. Dan means day. Noč means night. And that's all for this song. See you soon. Take care.